So today is a cloudy day. There's a little bit of mist, even though I think that's supposed to be dew. And we don't have much time today because we have to go to Kevin's birthday party. And so we're not going to rip out this wall here so we can get underlayment, new joists, that kind of stuff. Anyway, I think we're going to paint today. So, Roy, you can go ahead and show the color if it'll show, or stir it up, or whatever it's going to take.
It's that one.
That one? The one with your finger on it?
That one.
Okay. Ooh.
I'm not saying nothing yet.
This is the color of the trim on my house. It's been sitting in this can for at least 2 years with just cellophane over the top of it. Look how clean that can comes out. And this is a plastic can, is why it's black. That's why it's stripping out so nicely. Okay, so this is supposed to be the trim color. I have a sample here. We're going to check it out to see if it's too close to matching the color that's going on the garage. So I'm just going to touch up a little bit. Okay, there's our sample. Drain the brush. So far that's the color. It's antique white is the trim. That we're almost afraid they both match. Oh, that's not. That's a little bit darker. Oh, Roy, they can't see.
Well, get out of my way.
Let's put this over here. Okay, now go ahead and show everybody your talents of painting.
I think I feel a tooth ready to fall out. See, my brush is too small.
Well, you're doing a sample, or I hope you're not planning brushing that whole house with that little brush.
Not the house,
That's
the door.
That's not going to be fair. There you go. That look enough off? Obviously we gotta let it dry. And it depends on how much you want your trim to stand out. So anyway, we'll get back to this. Otherwise, Roy's going to have to move his truck so we can do a time lapse and see how fast we paint is, I guess, what the word would be. Anyway, let's get at her. Of course, we're going to paint the whole door, so that way we have a better idea of the house color and have a better idea of that trim piece, which I do believe is going to be too light, and we're either going to have to go white or a darker color. What do you guys think? Okay, I don't think there's enough room for two of us on the door, so I'm going to start painting the garage itself And I think we might even paint that one other corner where the kitchen is. Okay, now you guys see the color. We did a sample over there on our trim paint compared to the house paint, and I think we're going to go ahead, obviously, and get something either a little darker or a little lighter. Anyway, as soon as the sun popped out, you saw, we started sweating right away. That paint's just drying too fast. And that's one thing you don't want, is the paint to dry too fast or too slow. You want it just right. And this morning was great. Yeah, we had a little dew in the air, but we knew the sun was coming, and that turned out pretty good. That over there, that last half, oh mercy. So next time,